So another great thing to have when you go to big events is a diagram for the 7-way connector, RV style, round pin connector, flat pin connector, spade, the truck, the trailer, the 7-way heavy duty plug, the back. You can download images. Here's the 4-way connector. Bring these with you. Have these with you. All the different trailer styles. Because somebody in your crew will need their trailer wiring fixed. So here's another one, 7-way heavy duty plug, black and white version. Again, you can make little cheat sheets. This one shows all the different styles of the 7-way. 7-way RV standard, 7-way heavy duty, and 7-way traditional. And they are a little bit different. They are not the same. First thing you need to do is see which one your plug is and make sure the wiring and the colors correspond with your bolt settings. And if you're not getting trailer lights or braking, it's probably because you're using the wrong connector or it's wired wrong. So using these cheat sheets, you can figure that out. Good luck out there.